Welcome to week number 6, episode number 26 of Social Distancing from Mr. Z. My name is Nathan Ziegler and I'm the upper school principal at Hope Academy, Minneapolis. I'm really excited about today's guest. Mrs. Stitt is our lower school music teacher. She and her husband are going to show us a creative way to play mini golf.
Special guest with Mr. Z!
If you're looking for something to do while you're at home, you could try making an indoor mini golf course. We used this coaster to set the ball on so it would stay still, and then this little piece of this plastic carton is our hole. So we cut a lip off of it so it would lay flat on the ground, and then you had to hit it in here. So for this hole, we had to get it through the mixer into the container right there. Get the ball up, kind of up around the blanket ramp, down through the coffee table, and hit your ball around the corner and through the little slot in the door. Then we had to put this towel down because the ball was rolling around too much on our wood floor. Fourth hole, we did a long putt. So starting way back in that bedroom back there, you had to put all the way through the shoe maze and into the boot. Here. To shoot the ball through the poster tube, through the chairs, and into the container right here. Up over the boxes that are under here, we put a little piece of cardboard ramp on this side so it could roll up. And then down and right over here at the end of the blanket is perfect. So maybe you can make your own mini golf course. Have fun.
That was a lot of fun. I think our family's going to have to give that a try. And if you don't have a golf ball or a golf club, find some other items around the house to improvise. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Stitt, for that great idea. Last week, we started a new segment called Quarantine with Quiggle. Let's check out what Mr. Quiggle is up to today.
It's Quarantine with Quiggle.
Score.
It's Monday, so I've got some Monday memes for you. And what new skills did you acquire during quarantine? Here's a picture of the new quarantine clock. Day number 18 of lockdown. Filled the dog with helium. 87% of gym members don't even know their gym is closed. And people in 2019 compared to people in 2020. Here's the solution to last week's pencil puzzles. Remember, you can't pick up your pencil and you can't trace over a line that you've already drawn. That's how you do the first one, and here's how you do the second one. Today's brain teaser is one of my favorite challenges. It's called Think Outside of the Box. Draw 9 dots in this pattern, then try to connect all 9 dots using only 4 straight lines. Lines can cross, but you can't lift your pencil off the paper or retrace the lines. As the stay-at-home order drags on, I thought it'd be good for some more advice about how we should be treating each other while we're at home. Philippians 2 verses 3 and 4 says, "Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility value others above yourselves, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interest of others." It goes on to say that in our relationships, we should have the same mindset of Christ Jesus. And so when we're thinking about others, when we're doing things around the house, that we should not try to be selfish, but we should try to consider others better than ourselves or above ourselves. And so when we do that, we will try to treat them differently, just as Christ gave his life for us. We can give our lives for others. Have a wonderful week.